So the rate of change of temperature at P in the direction of 3, -3, 3 is going to be this directional unit vector of T to -1, 2, where the unit vector U is from the point P to 3, -3, 3. And we know that P is 2, -1, 2. So first we want to find the unit vector. So we see that we subtract this point right here by this point, and we end up getting our position vector 1, 2, 1, -2, 1. And then we want to find the magnitude of that, which we know is the square root of 6. So that tells us that our unit vector is 1 over root 6, -2 over root